Question number 7. Fill one digit in each of the following boxes to make the number divisible by 9. 7, 3 and dash. 7, 3. What does the rule 9 say? Sum of digit to be divisible by 9. 7, 3, 10. If what we add, you will get the number so that is divisible by 9. So for 10, if we add 8, it is 18. Divide and see, it is 0. That means 8 is fit to sit there in that box. So if 738 is done, that number is divisible by 9. The next one is, see what is given, 6 dash 0 1. Add these two, 6 and 1, it is 7. So how much if we add that so that we can divide by 9? For 7, if we add 2, it becomes 9. Then 9 is divisible by 9. So what we need to fill here? We need to fill here 2. So if we fill 2 there, the number becomes 6201. It is divisible by 9. Next one is 42 dash 3. 4, 2 and 3. If we keep 0 there, that is 4 and 2, 6, 6 plus 3, it is already 9. If we keep 0, 9 divided by 9, it is possible. It becomes 4203. That number is divisible by 9. And here dash 999 is there. So 9 plus 9 plus 9, it will be 27. But they said what should be added, what should be the digit added so that it is divisible by 9. So if we keep 9 there, that also it becomes 36 and that is divisible by 9. As we need to fill one digit, we add 9 because at the beginning we can't keep 0. So we write there 999 and that number is divisible by 9. Divisibility rules. What is divisibility? Divisibility is nothing but to divide any given number or to check whether the given number is divisible or not. What is divisibility rule? It is a method to check whether a given number is divisible by another number or not without actual dividing it. How many divisibility rules we are studying now? We are studying 6 divisibility rules. Question number 4. List the rules of divisibility. Divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3, divisibility by 5, 6, 9 and 10. What does the rule says? Explain the divisibility rules. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it is even. 18. 2 nines are 18. Then what does the rule 3 say? The sum of the digit is divisible by 3 when the given number is added, and it is divisible by 3 when we get remainder 0. That is called as divisibility rule 3. What does divisibility by 5 says? In a given number, if one's place is either 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5, that is 50. See, one's is 0. That shows that it is divisible by 5. Without doing actual division, we can tell that it is divisible by 5. 65. See the ones place, it is 5. That means it is also divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6. If a given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, that is divisible by 6. Example 48. What does the rule 2 say? Even number at the place of 1. 8. It is divisible. Then rule 3, what it says? Sum of given number to be divided by 3. 48, if you split 4 plus 8, it is 12. And if you divide by 3, it is possible, yes or no? Yes. Both are S, that means it is divisible by, so 48 is divisible by 6. What does rule 9 say? Sum of given number to be divisible by 9. What is the sum? Example, 72 is given. If you split 7 plus 2, it is 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Yes, 9 ones are 9. 456 is the 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equals to 15. 15 divided by 9. It is not possible. Why? We got remainder 4. We should get remainder 0 there. What does divisibility rule 10 says? Always 0 in the place of ones, then the given number is divisible by 10. Example 80. See, ones is 0. Yes, as 0 in ones place, it is divisible by 10. 117. See the ones place, it is 7. No, as 7 in the ones place is not divisible by 10. Let us take the activity. Encircle the numbers which are divisible by 2. 428, 517, 138, 2345, 189. These are the numbers. See the first digit 8 by 2, even number, that means it is yes. See the ones, 7 it is. No, we don't have 7 in 2. Then 8 again yes. Then 5 no. Then 9 no. See the one, 6 it is yes. And 8 yes. What does the rule 2 say? Even number at the place of ones, a number to be divided by, divisible by 2. See, 8 is the yes, I said. It is divisible by 2. Or one more method, if you divide and see, you will get the remainder as 0. Then that is the number, yes. Similarly, B, 517. 7 is there. It's not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. If you divide and check, you will get remainder 1. 1 means no, it is not divisible. 138. Write down the rule 2. What it say? Even number at the place of ones. 8, it is divisible by 2. If you divide whole question, you will get remainder as 0. So that number is divisible by 2. Similarly, do for D and then E, F, G, question number 2. Encircle the number which are divisible by 5. What did I say? Rule 5 says that 0 and 5 at the place of ones. So 2, 3, 0. Ones place, 0 means yes, 5 means yes, 2 means no, 8 means no, 0 means yes, 5 means yes, and 9 means no. Write down the rule 0 and 5 at ones place. So take the number 2, 3, 0. Underline the ones, it is 0. So rule 5, 0 or 5 at ones place. That means it is yes, it is divisible by the whole number. 230 is divisible by 5. See, working note also is done. You get the remainder as 0, 0 here. Yes, it is divisible by 5. Let us take B, 425. See the ones place. First write down the rule and see the ones place. 5. 5 it is there, that means it satisfies the divisibility rule. Directly you can write it is divisible by 5. No need to do the working note, but also I have shown you can do it. Then in the C, 1272. See the ones place, it is 2. What does the rule 5 says? 0 or 5 at ones place. So as it is 2, no, it is not divisible by 5. Then go by the D. See the D, ones place 8. That means it doesn't satisfy divisibility rule 5. So it is not divisible by 5. 1720, 0 in the place of ones. So it is divisible by 5. Why? Rule 5 says that 0 or 5 at one's place tells us that it is divisible by 5. F 635 is the, so rule 5 what it says, 0 or 5 at one's place. 5 is there, that means it is, yes, it is divisible by 5. The next one is 429. One's place is 9, that means no, it doesn't satisfy the divisibility rule. If you divide and check also it is 4, we should get remainder 0. No, it is not divisible by 5. Question 3. Encircle the number which are divisible by 10. What does the rule 10 says? Always 0 in the place of ones. See the ones, it is 0 means yes, 5 means no, again 0, yes. The next one is 0, again yes, 5, 8, that means no, it is not divisible by 10, and 0 means it is yes. A 110, rule 10 you write down, always 0 in the place of ones. So 110, it is divisible by 10. Why? 0 is there, and if you divide and check also it is 0, 0. So the answer is yes, it is divisible by 10. 135, rule 10, write down always 0 in the place of ones. So write down 135. What is ones? Ones is 5 here. That it doesn't satisfy divisibility rule 10. No, it is not divisible by 10. If you check also it is not possible. Why? Remainder we got as 5. We should get 0. Similarly, C. In the C we have 0. That means it satisfies divisibility rule 10. Again 0. That means it is divisible by 10. Why? 0 in the place of ones. E. We have 5 in the place of ones. That means it is not divisible by 5. Again 8. 8 is not divisible by 10. We should have 0 in the place of ones. G. 0 is there. That means it is divisible by 10. Check whether the following are divisible by 3. 39, 73, 282, 866, 4284. What does the rule 3 say? Sum of the given digits should be divisible by 3. 39. Rule 3. Sum of digits to be divisible by 3. 39 is equals to 3 plus 9. It is 12. And divided by 3, you will get 4. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Similarly, 73, write down the rule. Split 7 plus 3, it is 10. 10 divided by 3. Divide and see. 10. 3 3s are 9 and 1 is divisible. And this way also we are going to get remainder. This way also we are going to get the remainder. So it is no. 73 is not divisible by 3. C. 282. Write down the rule 3. Sum of digits to be divisible by 3. 282. If you add, you will get 12. Divided by 3 if you do, it is yes. It is divisible by 3. The next one is 866. Sum of this is 8 plus 6 plus 6 will be 20. If you divide by 3, 3 6 are 18 and we are going to get 2 as remainder. So 20 is not divisible by 3. So 866 is not divisible by 3. Similarly, do the E. Then fifth one. Check whether the following number are divisible by 6. What does the rule 6 says? It should be satisfied by both 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. A. 426. What does rule 6 says? It is to be divisible by both 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. 426. Rule 2 says, what it says, even number at ones place. Rule 3, sum of digit to be divisible by 3. We have written the rules. So let us take number 4 to 6. 6 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. It is yes. 4 to 6, if you add, you will get 12. Again it is divisible by 3. Both are yes. 426 is divisible by 6 as it is divisible by both 2 and 3. In both the cases 2 and 3 we got yes, that means it is divisible by 6. See, in 517, see 7 is not an even number, so it is no. Then if you add the sum of the digit is 13, again it is not divisible, so both are no. 517 is not divisible by 6 as it is not divisible by 2 and 3. If both are no, if one yes and one no also is no, that number is not divisible by 6. $732. So first write down the rules, then 2. You see 2 is an even number, it is yes. Then if you make the sum of the given number, it is 12, that is divisible by 3. Both are yes, that means it is divisible by 6 as it is divisible by both 2 and 3. See 1382. First write down all the 3 rules, then bring number 1382, underline the ones. It is divisible by 2 because it is an even number, so answer is yes. 1382 sum is 14, divisible by 3. No, it is not possible. So 1 is yes and 1 is no. Then the answer is not possible by 6 also. Why? As it is not possible by 3. So what will you write the conclusion? 1382 is not divisible by 6 as by 2 it is yes and by 3 no. So it is not divisible by 6. The next one is 3826. See 6 is, it is divisible by 2. Yes. If you make the sum or find the sum, it is 19 divided by 3. It is not divisible by 3. So 1 yes and 1 no means it is not divisible by 6. Question number 6. Check whether the following numbers are divisible by 9. What does the rule say? Sum of digit to be divisible by. If any number is given, add it up and then divide by 9. If you get 0, 0, it is yes. If you get any remainder, it is no. 216. 2 plus 1 plus 6 is equals to 9. 9 divided by 9? Yes. It is divisible by 9. 845. 8 plus 4 plus 5, it is 18. 18 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18. That means again it is yes. 1872. If you split and add 1 and 8, 9. 9 and 7, 16. Plus 2, it is 18. Again it is yes because we have remainder as 0. Then 3006. If you split and add, you will get 9 and divided by 9 it is 1. Yes, again it is divisible. Question number E, 6715. Split it and add, you will be getting 19. If you divide and see, you will get remainder. That means that number is not divisible by 9.